Welcome to another boring meal. Actually, this is the last boring meal of the year. So I'm having guests coming over, a party of 6. They're actually my neighbors, and I prepared a meal for them. We got some lamb here, we got some mac and cheese, we got some cabbage, some the baby shower meatballs. We got a beverage station back there. We got some cupcakes. I have some dip and pita chips. It's crab dip. You want a little appetizer, more cupcakes. And then I have goodie bags for the kitties. Goodie bags for them. Sorry y'all, I look a little disheveled, distressed, flat, flabby, bloated, all the things. I've been running around all day. I literally burned 1,000 calories. No exercise. Yeah, 1,000 calories, 1,000 plus calories by just running around doing all this. So it's party of 6. Ooh, we also got Happy New Year's hats. All right, I'll wait for everybody to get here. I got some balloons. I think my guests are here. Oh, I just wanted y'all to see this. This is dope as hell. It's a clock. It's cupcake 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, it's like I had to have that when I went to the store. But yeah, let me go get the door for my guests. In the meantime, while they're getting situated, while they're taking their shoes off and taking their coats off because it's freezing cold, it's below 30 here in DC, Maryland, I wanted to show y'all my money tree. I also got a chance to grab one of these today. Like, this is like my New Year's ritual to find a really nice, healthy money tree each year. So I got one, and here it is. And they're here. Cause you've been on there before, Tim. Hey y'all.
Real quick, where does baby shower be from? Is that?
They always have them at baby shower.
Okay.
Really
I'm like, hold on, what?
people, yeah. And,
I was like, shit, I don't know. Wait.
and everything is beef or lamb. There's no way come like no nothing none of that shit. It's that even in their cabin. I mean that comment. Well, you got some crab dip here, pita chips. So yeah, y'all did yeah. Wanna be cool, wanna be the cool. Y'all go down there and bum rush him, please. Cause he thinks he's something. Go. I want y'all to run down there, run down the stairs, go down there. Go invade his space. They're going down to the basement. Tiana brought a bottle of rosé. Clico rosé. And this is honestly one of I can drink this and I can have Bel Air. Dom is okay, but I definitely prefer Clico. It's smooth. And yeah, I asked her, she has some champagne because I didn't stop at the liquor store or anything. I didn't have time. Had to get my lashes, so all the things I had to get done. So yes, we got a bottle of champagne. Champagne tonight. So we're gonna go invade the basement. What happened? She cups to his own strike cards. So good. I was running all over the place. I didn't do no exercise today, dang. Right. On it. Yeah. So, like, dang, I did want to chill with my dog, but Jason was like, y'all gonna chill a little bit after this.
Oh, because they bad. That's why they look right there.
Oh, okay. That's why I figured. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I was sure because they don't been on break and you just had the boys over. Yeah. Gotcha. Don't worry.
That's why they looking drained like that.
Y'all not hungry than us. Like, there's gonna be this, you know, New Year's is carrying on until tomorrow. So if y'all need leftovers, whatever.
There's a bunch of gang stuff.
Then you say pure by yourself. Yeah, so y'all did game.
Yeah.
Like, man,
I am wishing you all a happy new year. Wishing you all nothing but prosperity, peace, abundance, alignment, fortune, all the things that you're looking forward to in the new year. Thank you all so much for joining and rocking with another boring meal. Definitely looking forward to what we have going on for next year. Definitely looking forward to what we're getting into next year. Looking for some, yeah. So we're gonna wrap this up so we can eat. Yeah.
Come on, she said she got some food.